guys, good morning all of you. So today we are going to start lecture number 3. In that we have to see synthesis and application of labetalol. Okay, so it is for 4 marks question will ask in exam. In this synthesis we have to require the reactant molecule is salicylamide. The structure of salicylamide is benzene ring is attached to amide group, that is CONH2, and at the ortho position have OH group. The name of this reactant is salicylamide. What is it? Salicylamide. What is the common name? What is the IUPAC name of this reactant molecule? 2-hydroxy benzanamide. Okay. This salicylamide undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, we have to require CH3COCl, acetyl chloride in presence of aluminum trichloride is used as Lewis acid. After that, the acyl group in acetyl chloride, that is COCH3 plus and Cl minus. This is electrophilic substitution reaction, and the electrophilic attack at position 3, that is meta position in salicylamide, and a removal of HCl molecule in the first step, and you will get the intermediate, that is CONH2 benzene ring and OH is remaining, and the electrophilic attack at position 3, that is meta position, and it is attached to COCH3 and the byproduct is HCl. So this is first intermediate. Then first intermediate undergo bromination take place at the CH3 carbon of acetyl group. After bromination, a removal of HBr molecule and one bromine group is attached to the CH3 carbon after removal of HBr. So how to get the second intermediate? Benzene ring is attached to CONH2, then ortho position have a OH group, and meta position undergo bromination at CH3 carbon, so remaining part is CH2Br. After that, the second intermediate is reacts with amine derivative, that is NH2 CH3 CH2 CH2 and benzene ring. So this is amine derivative. What is the name of this amine derivative? 1 2 3 4. This is your longest continuous chain, and fourth position have a phenyl group. That means 4 phenyl butane 2 amine, 4 phenyl butane 2 amine. Then removal of HBr molecule from this Br of carbon and hydrogen from this NH2. So after removal of HBr, you will get third intermediate, that is benzene ring is attached to CONH2 and OH, and at the meta position formation of C double bond O CH2 NH CH3 CH2 CH2 and benzene ring. Okay, so this is your third intermediate. This third intermediate, again hydrogenation take place in presence of catalyst, that is you can take nickel as a catalyst for hydrogenation. And what is the role of nickel? After hydrogenation, we have to add in hydrogenation process 2 hydrogen across the C double bond O and formation of CHOH. That means alcohol formation take place, and that is your last step. That means how to write product? First we have to write benzene ring, and benzene ring have a CONH2 group and OH, and further C double bond O reduce CHOH. That means ketone reduce in alcohol group, and remaining part is same, CH2 NH, then NH is bonded with CH3 CH2 CH2 and benzene ring. Okay, so this is your labetalol. Okay, so this is for 3 marks, and remaining 1 marks for application. There are 2 applications of labetalol, or you can say uses also, application or uses. First application of labetalol is it can be used to prevent chest pain caused by angina. What is mean by angina? It is heart attack type in chest occur. Okay, what is the first use? To prevent chest pain. What is it? To prevent chest pain caused by angina. Okay, then the second one, it is used in treatment of hypertension related to blood pressure. Then toxemia of pregnancy. Then toxemia of pregnancy. What is mean by toxemia? Blood becomes poison. The meaning of toxemia is blood become poison during pregnancy. So this is all about labetalol. The next synthesis is synthesis and application of fenofibrate. Okay, let us see. We have to require for synthesis of fenofibrate two reactant molecule, that is first one is phenol. As we know, benzene ring is attached to OH, is called as phenol. Then another reactant molecule is also required, that is benzene ring is attached to Cl and front position have a COCl. That means both para position have a one chlorine and other para position have a COCl group. So what is the name of this another reactant? 4-chlorobenzyl chloride. 4-chlorobenzyl chloride. Okay, in the presence of basic medium, then simple process is occur here, that is removal of HCl. How to remove HCl from two reactant molecule? One hydrogen from this phenolic OH group and one Cl from the second reactant molecule. Okay, then you will get the first intermediate, that is benzene ring is attached to oxygen, and after removal of hydrogen and Cl you will get oxygen C double bond O, then benzene is attached with Cl. Okay, this is your first intermediate. Then the first intermediate undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation, Fries rearrangement. What is it? Fries rearrangement take place in presence of aluminum trichloride. In Fries rearrangement, one change will occur, that is the oxygen molecule in this structure goes toward the para position and formation of OH group take place, and this C double bond O is directly bonded with the benzene ring carbon. Simple changes there. How to draw? Benzene ring is attached with OH group and same front position, that is para position, is attached with C double bond O group and one benzene ring, and at the same position, that is para position, have a Cl group. Okay, so that is your Fries rearrangement product. That is your Fries rearrangement product. Then that is second intermediate. This second intermediate is reacts with ester derivative. What is it? Ester derivative. That is the reagent molecule is bromine, then CH3, CH3, C double bond O, oxygen, CH, CH3, then CH3. Okay, so this is what ester type molecule. This is whole R group, C double bond O, O, R. That means ester derivative of bromide. You can see it is ester derivative of bromide. Okay, so this is your reagent molecule is reacts with second intermediate, that is after Fries rearrangement. Okay, one simple change is occur here, that is removal of HBr molecule, Br from this reagent and hydrogen from this second intermediate of oxygen or OH group. So after removal of HBr, you will get phenofibrate molecule. So how to draw the structure? Benzene ring is attached with oxygen, and this oxygen again bonded with COCH, CH3 twice, then here 2 CH3 group, and this one is carbon. Okay, at para position have a C double bond O group, then benzene ring is attached with Cl. Okay, so this is the structure of phenofibrate drugs. Okay, it is also very important and it is for 3 marks and 1 marks for application. There are also again 2 applications of phenofibrate. That is, first one is phenofibrate is used along with a proper diet to help lower bad cholesterol and fats and raises good cholesterol in the blood. So it is used as proper diet. It is used as a proper diet to help lower bad cholesterol, to help in our body lower bad cholesterol and fat and raises good cholesterol in blood. Then the second use of phenofibrate is it work by increasing natural substance, that is enzyme. Natural substance means what? Enzyme. It increase enzyme level and that break down fats in blood. Okay, so both are the application of fenofibrate. In this lecture we are completed the two synthesis, that is synthesis of labetalol and its application, and another very important is synthesis fenofibrate and its application. Okay, thank you.